So this is gonna be a tutorial on how to clean a electric oven. So this is how my oven look. Okay, we here to watch and clean, not judge. It ain't all that bad, but all right. So first I'm about to remove these racks. And this oven is cold. Wait, is it? Okay, it's cold. So I did go purchase this oven cleaner, and I got this from Dollar General. And then I also got this steel wood soap pads too. So first you need to remove the top off, and then you're gonna shake, 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 and then you're gonna spray. Get you a real nice heavy coat. Spray, spray, spray. It should look like snow, somewhat like this. So you're gonna also do your sides really, really good, and try not to get it on the little burner little thingy. So you see this electric thingy right here? So I just want you to lift that up. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit for about an hour and 15 minutes. So I'm about to go for a walk, and yeah. Okay, 5 hours later, I had took a nap, yeah. This is how the oven look, sprayed. And so you're gonna need a pair of gloves. Get you a pair of gloves. Also, while you at Dollar General, get you the dish scrubbers. Come two in a pack. Okay, so I need a bowl, but I don't have a wash bowl. So I'm just gonna use this pot and put some soapy water in here. So you're gonna make sure you just soak your SOS pad like that in water. And then you're just gonna get the scrubbing. Like in a circular motion. And you might gotta put your elbow to it because we gotta get this clean, okay? So you wanna clean, 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 clean. So you're gonna see all the little dirt scrubs coming up. So keep scrubbing. Okay, with my first scrub, this is what it look like. So I'm just gonna take the towel and put it in some the soapy water. And you're just gonna take the towel and you're just gonna wipe. And so you just repeat the same steps with the scrubbing pad. And you just repeat the steps. But the first scrub I did pretty good. So I'm about to repeat these steps. Okay, so now with the dry one that's not wet, I'm just gonna wipe it down like this. Wipe it. Wipey, wipey, wipey. So you're gonna have one rack that you kind of keep wet, and then the next rack just keep it dry. So you can just wipe it down and repeat the process. Okay, this is what it looked like so far. Now, whew, I literally had to take a butter knife and just kind of scrape it in there because this stuff is hard. Like, I didn't